Everybody's unavailable. No problem. Okay, guys. So, good morning and welcome back in today's class, guys. Yesterday we discussed about the flow designer and how many of you actually done exercise on that part? Did you guys go through the inbuilt flow which has been given by ServiceNow? Either say yes, either say no. That's not an issue. Yes, Neha, Ditona, Deepika. Did you guys go through?
Some just started with some things, not all thing.
Okay, where we are? We are here. Hi, Sarah.
Hi,
Not well or tired from the work?
both.
Oops. Okay, I'm writing something here. Okay, guys, so let's do a quick exercise here. Now, what we are going to do, one email as well. Let's create a workflow. Sorry, let's create a flow. Okay,
Still have
and
to.
sorry, I'm not sharing my screen. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not sharing. Let me share my screen. That shows the attentiveness that you are attending the class with proper attention. Okay, so now what we are going to be do? We are going to be create a flow. Okay, and that flow will contain these three things: approval from manager. I'm not putting any random group. I'm putting an approval from manager. We will create one SC task, and we try to create one email notification as well. Okay, let's try to go here quickly. And in the panel, I will open the inbuilt as well or the out of the box as well, so that we can just cross verify if we are doing anything wrong or not. Which we saw yesterday. Which one was this one, right? Yes. Okay. Let's go quickly here and create a new flow. My flow name is batch 7 test. Okay. Rest I'm keeping it as it is. No, nothing I'm going to be change. Skip tour. Now I want this to be triggered on the catalog item. So what should I mention here now? It will be action, it will be flow, it will be flow design or the flow logic. What should come here? Quick guys, quick. Tell me when I click on the add trigger, what will come here? What should I search here? Tell me, what should I search here? Which catalog?
Yeah.
Correct. Click on the done. Now what I want when any item has been created, it should go for the approval from manager. Okay. See, these things come only and only from the experience. You can create your own work or you can create your own flow for this. But ServiceNow say that this is very common practice. All companies, all my customers need this. Then let me give this as a subflow to you guys. Click on the here subflow and search here for the manager approval. This one. Under service catalog, go to the this thing. Now, what is the benefit I am getting here? Or let me go and see what they are mentioning here. requested item manager approval, it means we are on the right track. Requested item manager approval is my flow. It says on which particular catalog item you want to put this approval. I say create on the item which has been created in the previous record. Now, did you guys notice one thing? Yesterday, when we are creating the flow and we are putting it that I need approval from a group, then it was asking me for the if approve, if reject. Remember? Mute Kunal. Right? Remember, guys. Yesterday, when we are doing this thing, let me open that as well. Let me save this quickly, and let me show you the yesterday one. Just to be clarified that why there's a difference in this. This one we created yesterday, right? Now ask for approval. Both are the same thing. In the both case, I am sending for the approval only. But the difference is that in this, the logic is already built up that it will always go for the manager. But in this, I am defining a group, right? And I'm mentioning what should go if reject or approve. In this case, I just mentioned that go for the request approval on this item and done. Now the question comes, if manager approve or if manager reject. So for that, we're using the flow logic here. If, let's say I'm putting manager approval. What it's saying, if in that if, what condition you want to put? I'll go for the picker here. On the requested item manager, if it is a rejected, is rejected is a true. See, remember one thing very clearly, everyone. Don't assume that I know everything. No, it is all the logic building in your mind. If rejected is true, it means if I go here, let me go here. See what he will do, what approval will do, manager will do, either approve or either reject. I say if rejected, then end the process. But if approve, then, so what I'm doing, I'm putting a condition for the rejection first. It says if approval rejected, done. Then what you want to do? I want to end the flow. Maybe you say, no, Atul, I want to send an email. You can configure it. Atul, I want to create a task. You can still do it. That is not an issue. That is not an issue. It is totally up to us. I said if my manager rejects it, then I go for the group approval. And on which approval? Same, the catalog item has been created. Approval, rules approval. See what I'm doing. I am building a flow. What flow I'm building here? If I go that if manager reject, then don't do the end. Ask for the group approval. Let's say example, if my big brother say no to me for the new bike, I will go to father. Don't worry, you say no. If you approve that, I'm happy. If you're rejecting, I'm going to my parents for the approval. I can configure it. Don't think that Atul, is it be every case? No, it is a business requirement you have to do. Clear everyone till this point? Anyone and any doubt? Please clarify till this point, guys. Kachi, Laura, Bhumi, Sarah, Veer, Detona, Sneha, Deepika. Any doubt till this point? Be clear on this. What we are going to be do, we are creating a flow where I'm asking for the manager approval. Let's remove this for a time being. I said either manager will approve, either reject. There's nothing like a gray area. I am happy but not happy. I tell you, when I was working in one of my company, I was doing this ITIL implementation, and I put one point to one of the process lead in the UK. I love his treatment. I justify my points that we should do this thing or this thing, we should update this thing. What he says at the last, Atul, I'm convinced your point, but I'm not agree on that. I said, what does this mean? There is a gray area. He understands, yes, my point is valid, but he's not agree because he don't want to be implement that part. So it is not like that. It is either one, either it is zero. So what I'm saying here, if reject, then end the process. Let's go here. Let's not pick up this, otherwise it will create confusion unnecessary. If manager reject, I put it here, reject is true. Okay. Then end the process. End flow. Done. Simple. Let's try to create a diagram. This is the option. Let's say what it's showing to us. It will give us a better understanding. As I told you yesterday, it is be coming in the San Diego. Okay. Service catalog approval gaya. If approval is true, and if no, now if you are good in service now, you can do it from here as well. I can click on the plus. What I want to be add? I want to add a action. So you can do it from here as well. You can do it from here as well. Things will be same. Let's go back here. If I say if reject, then end. If approve, then I want a catalog task. Create a catalog task. You can try, create a new catalog item. Let's see what it's giving to us. Try to go in the ITSM. It should create a change request for me. You can go for the, let's see, incident is there. There's nothing called incident. No, it is not there. Let me say record producer. We are going to be discuss now only this record producer after this. Look up, create record. Which record? Not I don't know. This record producer, you can do it. So these things you can do in your experimentation. Now we have a simple one. I want to create a catalog task. Okay, create on the why. See now two options. It is a catalog task. It means it belongs to which table? Catalog task belong to which table? Tell me, guys. Sneha.
Task. SC catalog belong to task table, but SC catalog that table.
It's no SC. When I say the table name, you should be remember the correct table name. It's SC underscore task table. Okay. Now and if I put only create task, then what will happen? Both will create a task, but the difference is that if you select this, it will create a task on the task table, but that I don't want. I want a catalog task. Then better I put C SC underscore task. Let me show you the task otherwise. You just to be clarified. Create task. See the table. It's not coming up the table. Table you need to be selected on which table you want to create. By default, it will say I can create any table. If you want to go, you can still go for the. You can select the table as well as SC underscore task. But why should I use this SC task when we already have a code for the same. The behind mapping is already there. So let's go here and put a catalog task. Click on this. It's asking that on which particular record you want to create a task. See this thing, the option you're seeing here, this will be coming in the ATF as well when we go for the automated testing framework. So this is a data picker for me. I said that the catalog item which has been created, create a task on that. Short description, my test. Anything you want to use the simple, that any variable you want to use, all the things you can use it, otherwise I can leave it. And done. Now I'll put a flow logic and flow so that my flow should be, and flow is not available like this. So what they are using as a standard practice, they are saying logs. Let me put the logs here, and logs is a new action for me. Let's see which logs they'll be using. Okay, its action is a log. Okay, in the action they have a log. It's the same thing only, right? Service log or which log? It's I'm just checking that only. Okay, let's try to put this logs. So let's say, or in the global we have something called log. No, in the Octa no, in the integration no. Let's put Docker. I'm not sure that it will work for us or not. No, it is not the same which we are looking for. No, let's leave it as of now. Let's click on the save here. And go for the diagram. Let's see how the diagram look like. Is it be the my workflow is completed or not? True, yes, false, come here and done. Let's activate this. Activate means I'm going to be publish this. In the meantime, so it has been done now. You can see it's published here, right? Now I'll just go here, go to the catalog builder, because I done with my flow. Now I need to be map this flow with the respective item. What we did yesterday, test, right? Or something else? This one, my test. Open this and edit. Go to the fulfillment. Oh, it is be there only. Let's go here and map it quickly. Easy to do that part. Let's see if I get option for it in the catalog builder or not. It has been, why I'm not getting option for this year? It's showing process engine. If I do the cancel checkout, it will be canceling all the things. Why it's creating a problem? Let me go and pick up any other maintain item. Do you remember that? Okay, we have our item, right? Techno. This one. Let's try to use here. Remove this and go in the, what we created? my test 7 batch, right? Which was the flow name? Batch 7. Save it. Now let's go to the catalogs, browse by categories. This is Techno functional. Simple. We are not doing anything special. We are just testing our workflow designer now. Enter your name, this, and request. What we mentioned here. Okay, now a big catch is there. Let me see. Not working. Not sure why. After this batch, I'll reset my instance number 16. Okay, let's go to the RITL. Open it. Is it going for approval? Let's see. Yes. It is going for my manager approval. You can see here who is my manager. Okay, I give you one more question here. And who will take a notes of question answer today? Bhumi. Bhumi, you there?
Yes.
Okay. Note down the today's first question. How I can bring manager field on the I view. See, if I open this record in a separate one like this, I can go and I can maybe go to the configure and click on the form layout. I'll put the manager here. User table take a lot of time to be open. My question for you, I want, if I click on the I button of the any caller or any opened by here, I should get a manager field here as well. So that I can see that, okay, who is the manager of this particular user. Let me put manager. Let's see. Now let me go here and approve on my manager behalf. See, till now task is not created. And I say, if approve only then proceed. If reject, then end the flow. Let's approve it. Yes, good.
You have designed in such a way that if you reject, then it would go for creating a task, and if you
Are you
approve,
sure?
it would end. Yeah.
No.
Yes.
See,
Yes. If approval true, then end flow. Else,
no. If manager approval, let me show you. And
yeah,
what
you
we have
created.
condition. See, rejection is true.
Yeah, rejection is true, then it would go
Then
and create.
No. Then it will end the flow. See, if rejection is true, then end the flow.
Okay.
If rejection is false, then go for the task.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So now let me approve. On the first case, let approve. In the second case, we will reject. I approve. Oh. Open this. See, it's approved. Now the task has been created, right? And now you can do the action on the task level. Let's go here quickly. Open this and let's order it again. Try to find out from where this popular item is coming. See, it is not there, but still coming. From where? You have to be find out. Who will take a note of the second question? From where this popular item is getting published or getting populated? Now let me go and 17 number, right? Open this 17. Go here. Click on this. And now if I reject it, no task. Oh, still getting a task. Now it means if I am rejecting, it's showing end flow, but it is still going for a task creation. It means something wrong in our code here. Let's try to check this option first. The inbuilt one. So what it's saying, manager approval, fine. If requested item is rejected by manager, let's see. It's true, done, end flow. Then end flow. We are done also same thing, right? Then why it is not showing to us end flow? Yep, we done the right thing. End flow, it is there. It should actually. Why it's getting a new task? I'm not sure. It should not create a task now because we have a sequential order. Anyone idea that why it's showing like this to us? Let's do this. See, you're not able to see because few of the workflows are still there which cannot be converted in the diagrammatic format. Need to be see that why it's not be showing as a end flow here. We've done the same thing. Rejection is true. Let's see what it mentioned. No. Okay. Need to be check on that, but that why it's showing to us the new task has been created, not to this one. Okay. But now everybody is clear till this point, the basic flow. Or anyone has any doubt, any question here? Let me come here. Kechi, Avi, Kunal, Bhumi, Laura, Deepika, Sneha, Veer, Jitona, and Sana. Anyone has any doubt, any issue in their mind about this thing? Any clarification required?
Sorry, I told the first question I didn't get that. When you said how can you see manager when what? When you click on preview something.
Yes, that is not preview, that is called the eye view. So the question that if I click on this eye view, like we have these many fields, right? There should be, okay, now its manager field is also coming. I guess we're done on the form level, so it's bringing it. Now let's say example, I don't want to show the last name of a user here. How I can edit this eye view? That is my, in short, question for everyone. Okay. Now, if I go here, I want to see. Bhuvi, it's clear now? Any question?
Yes, that's yes.
Okay. Now, thing is that Atul, we want to see that where the workflow is working. Click on the flow context here. I'm sure it will not work. 100% sure it will not work. Yes. Maybe the reason is that because it is due to some plugin activation on my instance. I tried a lot of things, but I'm not able to see the flow reports on this part. Check flow execution settings. Maybe the logs are not there, something which we did not use it. So if you want to little more understand, you can just see the top one like this. So they have a proper ending here, right? Which getting the logs as well. And then here. But not sure that what this log is mean here. Which log is this? Activity action log. But which log they're using, I'm not sure. Level info, warning, and all the things. Okay, clear, everyone. Let me come back here quickly. Okay, guys, quickly log in into the instance and create a flow in the flow designer where I need approval from head of department, and you should create one essay task. Quick, you have only 5 minutes in your bucket. It's 21, by 26 you have to be completed. Start, guys. Simple flow designer, create a flow which is asking for the head of department approval. And after that, create a task on the top. Let me put a condition here then. Oh my God, Laura already graded 3. Nice, Laura, good. Go ahead, guys, quickly. In the meantime, let me take quick attendance. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Bukola is absent today. Is there? Kanchi is there. Kunal. Quick, quick. You have 4 minutes. Let me put in the chat. Do it quickly. I'm checking it, guys. Let me see. Nice. Okay. Good. Detona, Deepika. Let me open this. Good. Okay. Approval matrix, Deepika. Good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Avi. Quick guys, just you have created only, nothing much is there. Complete this exercise. At least configure the simple one. Don't try to be put any heavy English or something. Sarah, Bhumi. Okay, we have there. Bhumi is there. Good. Daytona, quick. Nobody is doing anything. Quick, guys. Library.
Atul, please can you repeat the question actually what we were supposed to do?
Question is simple. You have to create a flow where approval should go to the head of department.
Okay.
If he approve, then task should create. If it reject, then end the flow.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
You just have 2 more minutes. Nothing much in your bucket now. Quick, guys, quick. जल्दी शाबाश फटाफट. Okay.
Sir, I'm not getting the option. I don't know where to get the option of the head of the department.
I don't know. Search it. Search it. I'm not going to tell you. Sorry. I am not going to tell you. Okay. Let me close everyone here. Then I'll reopen it. Okay, go here. Create it today. Okay, let's see Deepika's one.
Atul, I was unable to do it.
Unable to do it.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
no
trying.
problem. No problem. Daytona blank. Avi blank. No problem. Okay. Blank. I'm just checking few things here before we proceed further. Okay, blank. Bhumi. Blank. Good. Anyone left? Veer, I did not see your one. Kunal, I did not saw your one as well. Okay, let's come back here now. My first a simple point. You are saying, Atul, we are not able to find out this, right? How you are trying to find out? You go here, definitely. Click on the subflow. Okay. It is here. What you want? Yes, Abhi, tell me.
Got
But
it, sir. Already got it. Got it.
I'm surprised by seeing everyone flow. Guys, don't do like this. Why nobody added any trigger till this point? Do you think that if I add this, my workflow will start? Now, if I click on this data picker, there's nothing that on which record I should attach this approval. You are saying that I want to go from Delhi to Bombay, but I don't have any ticket. How you will go?
Atul, I just added it.
Who is there who added just now?
It's catchy. The class test.
Class test, right? Let me reload it for you, Kachi. There's a refresh, but is there something? No, let me open it again for you, class test. It's not showing. Maybe you did not save it. Or
from my side, I did add it too. I don't know why it's not showing when you're there.
maybe it's the reason can be because I'm not the creator for this particular one, so I cannot say all the things. That can be one of the reason.
Okay.
All right. Can you check mine?
Yours one is which one?
Pudali.
Sorry?
Pudali.
Fudan. Okay.
The first
Which
one. No, the first one, yeah.
This one. Okay. Fudalik. Yep. Not able to see it here. Let me load quickly. Can you guys save and activate it at least, or save something so that maybe then only I can see, because it's showing inactive.
Atul, I just saved it. Try to see if you.
Class test, right?
It's giving me error. Yes. Mandatory, I must be.
See, now I can able to see. Create record.
Okay.
Good. So the point is that unless you will not put a trigger, you write anything in your code, anything in your workflow, it will not work. You put action, law, logic, anything you put, it will not work. So the first point in anyone flow should be the trigger point.
Yeah, please check mine. I don't know if it's something.
It's Bhumi, right?
Yes.
Did you save it? Let me try to save it.
I did save it.
Let me try. Bhumi, right? Pick up from here. Yep, now I can see. It is available. Okay, that is the thing. Now, the issue which we are facing in batch 7, it says that flow is not generated. Let me check one point here. Let's go to these options. These options you guys have to take care. It is basically execution. It says what execution you want. I say execution, show me like this. It's showing a waiting. Means the flow which you are using, where I can go and check it. It will not give me a diagram form. No, it will not give me. But these options will help you somewhere. Like I want to add the flow stage. Like if I go here, these are the stages. Click on this. On this, click on the flow stages. So like this. That how much time I have to give for a one stage. So it's a manager approval. Where is the manager approval? Let's see. Here is the manager approval, right? This, the yellow one, it's showing called the stage. It's called the stage. That you need to be wait for the 2 days for this manager approval. And how you can go? You can go and check it here. This one. 2 days, CI approval 2 days, order fulfillment 2 days, all these things will be there. So stages basically give you kind of a delivery time, or the bandwidth to do that part. Okay, that is little important. But the thing is that we are not enough mature. When I say we, including myself as well, we are not enough mature that we can do these things as well. Like it's a request cancel. Now I understand maybe why the end flow is not working for us. Let's go here and check the stage. Request cancel is there or not? See, it is the request cancelled. 0, and what they mention here, always show yes. Maybe we done something wrong there. So it is not like that. It is not let me do this thing. Cancel and create a new stage. Add a new stage. These are up to you. You want to do, you can do it. Okay, it's there like this. Welcome. And I put this thing. See, it will just display on the yellow button here. Where did welcome gone? Need to be see where we have shown it. Or we can use it. Okay, now you go here. You want to add, click on this. Yeah, not here where I can put this stage. Yeah. Not here. Let me put a stage. This is very complicated actually. I'm telling you from experience. I'm not getting option for the add stage here. Okay, requested same add stage. It has gone. Where is the welcome? Which created welcome? Completed new stage 8. Maybe we did not save it. So it's gone. Okay, let me leave it here now. But this, yes, go ahead.
But you're right.
Any question here? Anyone, guys? Hi, Kane. So this is what we have done. Now, if you see here on the right side, this is something more information about the action, flow, subflow you're adding. That information will be getting here. Like this thing, flow variables. There's a no variable we have created here. Trigger. Let's go to the trigger here. This one, right? We're talking about this is a trigger. This trigger contains mainly these 4 variables: timing, table name, start, and this. If you click on this, you'll find a lot of things here. Or you can find out from here. Request item, manager approval. Like this. If I say yes, if I say end. So it means the things which are not able to see on the form, you can see on the right side. This is just kind of an extension, or the more feature or the more information about that workflow has been given. Clear everyone now? Any doubt, any question? Anyone, any doubt, any question? At least say yes or no. Let me come here. Cannot see my screen, but it is visible for everyone. Let me try to share it again for you. Yeah. Sarah, you can switch off the video. That's fine. No problem, I guess. Okay, good. Okay, so now I coming here. Anyone has any doubt, any question, any clarification required? Anyone? Tell me, guys. See, at least say yes or no. I should be clear on my.
Yes, one manager is not available and it has to go to some other guy.
No. Okay. Okay. Good option. Go ahead, Veer, go ahead.
So in such a scenario, how do we manage him? So we need to
Very true.
automatically
Very
ensure it, right?
no. There's a nothing called automatic here, Veer. Yesterday also Avi put a question that Atul, is it be done, not done like this? No. It is you and me need to be tell to system that what boss, what next.
Correct.
So now in this case, I'm not sure that how this will be, how the coding will be there, but you can mention, you can check it here. Manager approval. Okay. And I guess if manager, because it is not showing any option here, so maybe we need to be write a script in the background. Like scripting. You can check in the script if logged-in.user manager is equal to null or empty, then what to do. And this is a very valid and business requirement, I can say it. You can write your code here easily. Then what to do, where to go. Suppose you join a new company and on the day when you don't have any manager and you get an email from HR that please request for a new laptop. Then to whom it should go? How the system will know? System don't know. System has no idea. It is you and me to tell the system that what to do now. So maybe someone can take a note of this point and we can discuss in the scripting part. That what to be do in these cases. Correct? Maybe I can say here, if I put okay, manager approval this. Before that you can put an action or the what I can say action there. Check manager availability. Why you want to trigger approval after knowing that this user don't have a manager? Before that you check and tell, right? If let's say someone come to me, Atul, I want to attend the ServiceNow training. My first question came, what is your experience or what background you are? He's saying, hey, I'm doing my 12th only or my high secondary school. Sorry boss, I don't give the training to the kids like that. Okay, so this is very valid point and we have to put it before it's trigger for the manager approval. Check that is logged in user has a manager assigned or not. This will be done only in the scripting here. So now we can see the add stage option here. You can add it. Because I don't have any stage, so I cannot do anything, but I can create it here as well. So maybe let's go here. Add here. If let's put if manager not exist. Let's say it says condition if record not like that. Maybe I can say in the service catalog record name is okay. Let's see where is the logged in user or the requester. Parent requested. Okay, let's say requested. Okay. Manager is there. Manager. See. Now you understand that what I'm doing. I'm saying that the user who is be requesting his manager is false. Or maybe I can pick up from the data picker. Is empty. Go in the same manner. I'm just doing a fluke here. Let go to manager is false or something like this. Or maybe I can say first name is empty. Then what to do in that case? But mainly these things will be taken care by the scripting only. But Business ask is 200% valid, I can say here. So these things we have to do the R&D, that how these things be working. Clear till this point, everyone? Sarah, Bhumi,
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah.
all clear?
Yes, yes.
Good. Now, if done on the flow part, I recommend, strongly recommend. Yesterday you guys missed out. Today you saw the result in front of you. That you guys are not able to start the workflow. That's what is the trigger point. What is the starting point? So I strongly recommend. I'm not saying that create a very big workflow. No, create small flows, but create it at least. Otherwise, you will actually going to be missed out. Okay. Now the next topic which come in our picture is called the record producer. Okay. What do you mean by the word record producer? And what is the difference between record producer and the request? I gave this homework, right? I guess Neha took that time or Deepika took that time, this homework. On the day one of this request management. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys, tell me, please. Are you guys
Yeah,
able to? Yes. Good. Who pick up Sneha? Okay, Sneha, tell me. What is record producer? What is record producer? Bhumi, what is record producer? Tell me, what is record producer? Veer.
No, I think I can't recollect.
Avi.
Sir, a record producer is a catalog, I guess, which used to record each and every incident or the task.
Then what is the service catalog or the request?
Inside the service catalog, the record producer is the section where these things.
No.
I've read it. I'm a bit doubt now. Just give me a moment.
Yes, tell me. Who is speaking? It's Kane, right? Yes, guys, tell me. Laura, what is record producer?
Is how would I call it? It's like managing, like I would say probably a team of people that manage and develop the workflow.
No.
So what I am getting from the ServiceNow description is the kind of specific catalog that allow user to create the specific
It is catalog, right? It is catalog. But this is a catalog which is different than the service catalog. And I want to know the difference. This is one of the questions which generally asked in the interview. You go at any level, any role of the interview. You go for the consultant, you go for the developer, you go for the architect, you go for the integration guy, for anything you go. This question is asked. At least in my all interviews till now, what I gave you before my current organization, everybody asked this question.
Is the taskbox record?
It is a task-based record. What do you mean by the task-based record?
Yeah, like the same thing, like incident and all the things is the kind of task we are
Then
creating.
why not service catalog is the task-based?
Yes. Mm,
Interesting, no?
yeah, that's interesting. No doubt.
Okay, giving this homework back to you guys again. Okay, giving this this homework back to you guys, and let's continue from our ServiceNow perspective. In simple and short meaning, I can say, record producer is one type of catalog which generate one record at a one request. Service catalog generate two records at the same time, REQ and RITM. But record producer create one record at a one time. So if you see here, record producer uses script or the template to produce an incident or change. As Kunal pick up, it is a task based. Generally, we use record producer only for incident or the change table, not on the request, because in the request we will be creating two records at the same point. I'm just giving you the highlights here, nothing much. Rest detail you have to be find out the accurate difference. This question asked in interview, what is the difference between these two? So now if I go here, I select for the record producer. Now if I go on this portal, let me show you that we're already using the record producer. This is the record producer. Now the question, now we see that from where these two things or these things are coming, all these things. Let me come here on the record producer. It is a create incident. Very small, very simple to be understood. It is coming from here. This is also record producer via VA, create incident using via EA, VA. We need to see that what category it is we putting it. Let's put this. It is a catalog. I'm still saying it is not a different than catalog. It is still a catalog item for me. But it did not work on the request. It worked on the task based. See, REQ table or RITM table not extended from the task. No. I'm again repeating, REQ table or RITM table did not or not extended from the task table. So don't be confused. But incident table is extended from the task table. Same thing, you can do it from here or in the catalog builder. What it will contain, the short description you can see, which we put it, simple meta tag, and here the background thing is there, the mapping. Let's discuss a little later on this part. Accessibility, under which catalog and category I need to be put it this. Generate record data. If you want to, I'll give one option that you have to be study now. Let me go here, service catalog, and check this thing. We will take a note of this. Record producer versus catalog item, you have to be study. And on the portal page, we have a standard change. Try to find out all these are the record producer, yes or no. Total 4 questions I have given to you guys till now. Okay, now let's come back here. Okay, so if you want to generate anything from the template, you can use the template, and that's portal settings, which we know. The main thing is that generally in the record producer, we have to do the coding only. Okay, but here the things has been mentioned. It is basically for the device mobile, for they will be doing this part. I'm just checking the variables. Yes, now I'll get in the variables as well. See, concept is same which we done. It has the 4 variables. Urgency, you can see. See, these all are the, except this. This is not a record producer. This is a order guide. If I open this, urgency is coming 2. You are seeing here the 4. Contextual search. What is contextual search? If I go here and write email and tab out, this is the contextual search. On the basis of the issue, it is giving me the detail. Nothing much to be worried on that part. Rest everything is same. Same available for category, catalog. Things are completely same. See, someone created that part. Not sure what they done, but it's good. Okay, now let's create our on catalog builder. Oh, sorry, on our record producer 1. Batch 7. Let me go for the incident table only. I can multiple record producer you can create on a single table. You can put image, picture, anything you want to put, you can do it here. Accessibility, I want to put it on the my training one, training catalog, right? And the categories. Okay. Now let me serve it. Let's quickly go here. Service catalog, leave. Sorry, all catalog I should go. Training, service now, and it is there. Batch 7. This is what we created. You can put the variables. If you want, you can use the flow design in the background if required. If you think that it is required, because generally on the record producer, on incident, we don't require any approval. See, if your bike has been broken, will you ask your father or mother, can I go and fix it? No, you will go and fix it directly. There is a difference between incident and a request. Okay, then what you can do, just do little R&D on this part, that what it is be doing. Generate task record, create catalog. It is a cosmetic change, it is nothing much. Let's see, do we have a standard change here? Because standard is one of the catalog, right? Like this, modify chain template, redirection. Okay, it's not like this. We are looking for all catalog because standard change is a category. And I have a hardware asset. Let's see. It is again a category under hardware asset, but we have replaced the printer toner. Let's see. I'm giving you guarantee. If you start watching or going through the tool itself, a lot of things will be clear to you. I'm telling you. See, it is a standard change. And it will be taking these many values. If you change the table to the chain table, then you're getting this option as well. Does it contain any variable? No, it don't have any variable. So read about these things. Only then you will be able to know. So if I click on this, what will happen? A new page will be open for me. What happened? Maybe some other issue, it's not opening for me. Okay, it's saying you want to submit. I click on the submit head. Now the question should be open. Yes, now the question is opening for me. So from where these things are coming? These are coming from the template only. That you and me need to be identified from where these things are coming. That is the concept of the record producer here. Clear everyone? Any doubt? Any question till this point? Tell me, guys. New calls. Oh, that's nice. Tell me, guys. Tell me quickly. All clear, everyone? Any doubt? Any question? Sneha, Deepika, Ditona, Laura, Bhumi, Kunal, Avi, Kane, Virendra, Sarah. No doubt, no question, no clarification required.
Nothing as of now.
Okay, good. So let's not take it forward now. Okay, let's close the call here only. But recommendation and the homework should be completed. Sarah, you just send me. I guess it's Sarah, right? To whom I give the, or Bhumi? To whom I give the work today. Just send that that question in the group chat quickly. Okay, and let me take a quick look on the agenda now. So before that, anyone, any question, last question, and I'm going to be stop the recording now. Okay, good.